Hello, good morning, good morning. Today is Thursday, 29th of June. So as we normally do it, doing it live, so I'm going to analyze the market, what we should be looking at, where we should stay out of the market. So just take it easy, take your time, listen to it, watch it, and then look at where we will potentially go for a buy or where we'll potentially go for a sell. All right, so currently the first one I want to look at is the pound yen. And you know that for some time now we've been taking advantage of pound yen and we've been making some profit out of pound yen. So basically we are looking at pound yen. Now, seems to be a lot if we look at what we're currently looking at. So there's a lot of lines in there. But then I'll just break it down to the 1 hour. Also to look at what we're looking at for today, basically. Now, today should continue to give us a downtrend. So basically, we're just going to draw some few lines. And then also, the ability to draw these lines are, well known to those who have taken the intermediate course. So because they really know what the whole line issue is all about, because this is our main key area of trading. We don't trade outside the lines, we trade within the lines, and then we add other other tools to them. So for example, you can add your trend line, you can add your all your indicators, and then look at market structure, you look at all those fancy names out there that you could have. Normally, those key areas are beautiful to always identify. Beautiful key areas for you to get going. Now, so we'll look at what we currently have now. So I'm marking those areas. So I'm not really going to start from the daily because I feel like the market have had a long move to the upside, so we're just going to take it from the 4-hour time frame. Also going to take it from the 4-hour time frame, and then we'll just move it gradually till when we get comfortable. So currently we'll take all these ones off, because it's quite a distance for market to get those areas filled. Okay, very distant to get those areas filled. Okay, so basically on the 4-hour time frame, what exactly are we looking at? So on the 4-hour time frame, we have the zone areas that we've actually marked, and we want to see market respect those zones areas in that, and then fulfill this move to the downside. So basically, if we break it down to the 1 hour, so you can see that we have a zone area here. We also have a another zone area there, and we want to also respect that area of what we have. So basically, we will probably be looking for a sell. And if you ask me what's my bias for the day, my bias for the day is going to be on a sell. So, and you know how not it's been done all the time. So where the areas are marked, we just flow, and we don't have any other alternative of buying. So just keep that in mind. So don't have any other alternative in mind. Let me look at that. So basically that's what I'm looking at for today. Okay, basically that's what I'm looking at for. You should have a move to the downside. So there's also a news at 12:30, but then we'll talk about that news when we start analyzing the gold. We start analyzing the gold. So basically, we should be looking out for a downtrend. We should be looking out now for a downtrend. We've been looking to get to this region for some time now. So we've been looking forward to get to this region for some time now. Okay. So currently where it is this easy for market to get to this age zone and then get to this zone, and we should be okay. And I don't want to give alternative that when it breaks we go for a buy, because for example, if market tends to go up, I should also be looking for a sell from this down. I would not be looking for a buy. So should they start picking up, going up in the upward direction on the 15-minute or on the 30-minute, definitely I will not be looking for a buy. I would definitely leave it. It's quite a distance in a way, okay, that you can profit on, but who knows, it can just stop here and then go down in this way. So strategically we stick to the plan and we trade the plan. So we stick to the plan and we trade the plan. Okay, so all the inner circle people do understand what I've just done. If anything, just visit Forex Trading Academy, www.forexaca.com. Then maybe give us a call or give us we'll be able to guide you through what I've just done. So we're looking for a buy. So I don't think that I should be looking for a sell. I don't think I should say much more than what I have here. So whatever is going on now is it's just what it is, you know. It's just what it is. So okay, so how many pips probably we're looking at? Then 60. Yeah, we should be looking at to 100 pips. But then if we make 60 first, definitely we will be happy. We'll be happy if we make 60 first. Yeah. So, and if it doesn't move to that, yeah, okay. Mind that the what we expecting is that the close of the month is just around the corner. So the close of the month trading on that month ends tomorrow. So we should see a massive move to the downside, and then also tomorrow we should see a retracement a bit to the upside. So today is what probably we'll be looking for, a move to the downside, and then tomorrow. Or if not, then probably we will not be having any move at all. We'll have consolidation throughout here, a little bit pullback, consolidation in there. That probably will set us up for the new month, in a greater aspect of what we're looking at. So I think that we should be confident in what we're looking at. To be confident in what we're looking at in that regards. All right, so I'll also talk about gold. So we've not traded gold as together for a while, but the last time we looked at gold, where I think that we were somewhere here, and then we never took advantage because we were actually looking for gold to break this level, touch this level before coming down. but gold came down this way, went up, you know. So for some time now we've not traded gold. So let's look at gold from the daily perspective. In the daily perspective, gold is in a downtrend, so at least we all know that gold is in a downtrend. Gold went up for a while, and then now gold is in a downtrend. So where are we expecting market or gold to go, since gold is going to be in a downtrend? But I think that for the look at the things, through the close of the month also, we should be able to see gold retrace a bit. Okay, move shrink a bit to have a bottom wick in that aspect. So if gold is supposed to have a bottom wick, on the weekly candle there's no bottom wick, so we probably will look at it consolidating for a while, and or moving with a green candle up, maybe 2 green candle for the close of the month, that's today and tomorrow. Or it probably will shoot down today and then also squeeze out for tomorrow to close the month. So basically, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we probably will be trying to get a range of where we think that we're going to put our zones. So currently we've just breached the zone, and I'm just looking at which, so that is the zone that we're looking at. The distance from here to this zone is 100 and all right, so we'll probably look at this zone area, so we'll put it here. Okay, so let's look at that. So look at that zone area. Currently market is here, so that is almost about 90 pips. Also it can be yeah, middle of the zone, but let's leave it out till we amend the market in that. Now if we go to the 1 hour level, this is what we're expecting. Okay, currently if you ask me, I'm expecting a bit of a thrust to the upside. Okay, so let me go to 30 minutes and look for an entry area. So I've got an entry area on 30 minutes. So so let me look at this. Okay, so I've got an entry area on 30 minutes, and that is okay. So here probably I'll be looking for a 60 pip move, 80 pips, 100 pips move. Okay, so I'm probably going to go for the 60. So I'm looking at this thrust to the upside, so probably you could take your profit around this area, maybe this area. So that will probably give you about 90 pips, 100 pips if you actually wait for the spillover. So most importantly, at least you know what you should be looking out for. So you have your plan as we normally do. Do that intensively at your end, and look at the areas that we will not be trading. I just decided not to cover the areas that will not be putting trades because I just don't want to go much breakdown for this morning. So basically that's what we're going to look out for. Tomorrow also I'm going to put the same information out there and send you the link for you to actually take your time and watch. Do what your analysis is telling you, not what you think. Okay, for what you think, no, the markets have already thought for you. So do your analysis and then plan it. Plan, if this I'll do that, if this I'll do that, and then once they all aligned, then you actually have an advantage over the market, and that's a sure way that we could, you know, we could take advantage. So now at least you've got it. should markets, so for example, should market also decide to go down, as I said, we wait till it gets to this point level, hit it, and then shrink back. So we'll keep that in mind. Tomorrow is also the close of the month. Beautifully, we will be looking at that. This month is beautiful, so it have been beautiful in terms of, we'll look at the total pips tomorrow, and also we'll build on it. We'll build on it definitely. Once we have been doing this, and this is what we want to do, we'll definitely be making a living out of the market. All right then. So do write in the comment section, okay? Write in the click the like button as usual. Show some love. Show some love. Show some love. That would be great if you do show some love. All the best, and you have a lovely day as we look at the market. All the best.